and add interactivity onto our video. Okay, there be no other reaction or question. I think I can proceed with the third part, where we want to see how we can use what we call the H5P. Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to take us to our learning management system. Now, the H5P is a tool that is added onto our platform, and it allows for us to create interactive videos. So, and not just interactive videos, but it is very rich in terms of creating interactivity in our online courses. It also has very many other applications, which then I may want you to explore as we move on. But for today's session, I want us to focus specifically on how we can use it to create interactive videos. And then possibly when we do meet in the day that Bosley will suggest, we can go deeper into the H5P and also the use of these particular tools that we have actually been able to be introduced to today. So just as in any instance, when you want to add any item onto the course, you must ensure that your course is in editing mode. So I've turned editing on. Go to the specific topic where you want to add the interactive video and click on the option Add an Activity or Resource. Now, the H5P is called interactive content. Within your activity chooser, you will notice it by this name, interactive content. Click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, you will be presented with the place where you're supposed to put in the description and then select the H5P content type. Remember, I've noted that H5P has many content types. You can see you can add a chart, accordion, interactive book. So there are many other content types. You can even have a drag and drop activity. Yeah, so it is a very rich tool when it comes to creating interactive e-learning objects for your course. But for today's session, I want us to focus on what we call the interactive video. Interactive video. So this is the one that we are going to use. So for you to use this particular content type, click on Get, so that you specify that you want to create an interactive video. Then, okay, sometimes it may ask you to install, yeah? It has many features, so you may need to install it on your course. Once the installation is complete, you click on Use, so that now you can start using it. Interactive video. So let's scroll through the content types and select interactive video. I hope I haven't yet. Not interactive book, crossword, image choice. Let me get to interactive video. If I'm scrolling fast, so in case you see it before my eyes see it, you know, as we have 4 eyes, please help me see it. Okay, image slider, true, false, flashcards, accordion, image hotspots, drag and drop, preset, yes, here, interactive video. So once it is installed successfully, just click Use. Okay, so once you select Use, so here is where you're given the option to add a video. You can either upload the video or just simply enter the video URL. Remember, we have said it is recommended, instead of uploading the videos on our site, it is recommended that we would rather upload them on YouTube. Then on YouTube, you simply just pick the video URL. So I'll just pick the video URL in one of my channels. So I'll just pick in one of my channels. Let me go to my channel and pick one of the videos. So I'll just simply copy the video URL, then come and add it here. Okay, then insert. Okay, so I have inserted the video. So okay, thank you, Ruth. We have received Professor Mulando's communication. So once you've added the video, remember I've added it as a YouTube link instead of uploading it as a video. Once I've uploaded it, then you can now start to add the interactive aspects. If you scroll down, there's a button here written Add Interactions. Seeing this? Add Interactions. So it will load for me my video. This is my video. Seeing that? So as the video is playing through, let me just reduce the size of my screen. So this is my video, which I've embedded in YouTube. So maybe at a given point, at maybe this particular, okay. So at this particular point, at the 41st second, I may want to, maybe it's a given point I have made and I want to add a question. So I can actually add a multiple choice question. Okay, so I can add a multiple choice question. So here it's a question. So from this window, I can be adding the questions at a given point. The question is, which is the largest country in Africa? So that is the question. Then here I put the correct answer. The first choice should be the correct answer. Is it South Africa? I'm only assuming South Africa. Then I can put the other, I can indicate the correct, that this is the correct answer. Then I can indicate others is Kenya. Then there is, I can add other options, Congo. Okay, then I can click done. So what will happen, you notice at this point in my video, there's a small circle that has been added. What this implies is that when the students watch the video, when they reach at this particular point, the video will pause and then they will be asked the question before they're able to proceed. You can add, so all these are question types that you can add. You can add a multiple choice, you can add a true false, you can add the fill in a blank question at that particular point in the video. I'm sure we've experienced these types of quiz courses online that have videos at which certain points they pause and then you are asked a question before you're able to proceed. You can even add a hotspot. So what a hotspot does, at a given point in the video, you can have a hotspot, okay, at this point in the video, at maybe 1 minute, 1 second and 77 microseconds, and between 1 minute, 11 seconds and 77 seconds, you can actually have a hotspot where when somebody clicks, then they're taken to a given URL. So you can actually add the URL there, and you can even have a hotspot on that particular point. See? So you note that, and you can see even the hotspot is there. So these particular menu items here, they allow you to be able to add interactive elements or interactive points within your video. Once you're done, you click save and display. Oh, I didn't give, so this is an interactive video. I needed to give it a title. So the video is an interactive video. So I can save and display. So what will happen is when students are watching my video, the interactive points I've added within my video will actually add that interaction within my video, so that you just don't upload a plain video, but you upload a video that is interactive. So this is my video. Yeah, at this particular point, I had added a quiz. Sorry. So at this particular point, I added a question, or I needed to have told it to pause. You see, this is the question, which is the largest country in Africa? So South Africa, check, continue, then it continues. Okay, so you note that you just don't add videos, but you can add videos with interactive elements included into it using this particular tool called H5P. So to make it